Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim 300 Moonlight crystals in Heartopia. So basically, you will get this in your mailbox. The beautiful spring has arrived as promised. Dear DG members, spring has officially arrived, bringing with it a season of freshness and life. We're sending this note on the spring breeze to thank you and to wish you moments of brightness and happiness in the Heartopia ahead. Thank you for your companionship and support. It means the world to us. You do need to open this game for a bit until this shows because it didn't show when I first opened it. But I just received it, so it says, wishing you a joyful and warm spring. Kaka from Town Radio, claim. Ta-da! And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!